Hey guys, we are not in the garage yet. What I've got here is a bit of a I don't want to call it a haul, but I placed an order through this company right here, 4x4truckleds.com. And so I'm just opening it up. What I actually ordered was a couple of items from Builtright Industries. And just to kind of show you, this is the 4x4truckleds.com website. They're an authorized reseller of Builtright. They specifically what I ordered was the bed rail system, which I'm going to be installing in my F-150, and then also the dash mount, which is right here. This actually goes inside the cup that sits on the top of the dash. I'm going to be installing that, and then I saw these, and between Builtright and 4x4 Truck LEDs, the prices are the same. 4x4 Truck LEDs is a reseller, an authorized reseller. I got free shipping. The coupon code does not work on the Builtright products, but I did get free shipping, which is really nice. Also got free tax, which was nice. Not going to argue with that. So I did save a little bit of money there. They also, I was just unboxing everything, and so first off, the Builtright products. I mean, this is solid steel. You're not going to bend this. Very, very high quality product. I really look forward to getting that mounted in the truck. But as far as the box, of course, the packaging all great. But they threw in, so 4x4 Truck LEDs, I think if you order more than $100, I believe it is, you get a free t-shirt. And kudos to them. This is a really good quality t-shirt. I will definitely be wearing this t-shirt. Thank you very much for that. By the way, I paid for all of this. None of this was free. I bought all this with my own money. But I got the t-shirt. They also threw in one of those, I don't know, my kids use these, the pop things that you can put on the back of your phone. They threw one of those in. Builtright had put in, and you can see, I mean, even this, I mean, this is pretty much swag that they're giving away. It's just plastic, but two license plate surrounds, 4x4 Truck LEDs, threw some stickers in, which is great. And of course, the proverbial, buy more stuff from us. But I really do like what they put in. They also too, their 4x4 Truck LEDs is a small company. They give you this. It is just a print, but it is a nice thank you note that they included as well. The same thing is true for the Builtright products. When you open the box, there's a thank you note from them. I also really like too, if I can get this open, is they actually put on there, thank you for supporting our small business. All of this stuff is made in the USA. I really am a big supporter of US branded or US made products. I think it's great that this stuff is made in the US and it's not shipped over from out of the country. Doing what we can to support small businesses. But this is where I got it from, and you can see from a price perspective what this is priced at. This is the one here, the $45 for the dash mount, and then for the bedside rack system, the one that I got was this one here for the F-150, which is $295. They do have a kit which is for the Super Duty. It's a little bit more expensive. And this is, by the way, on the Super Duty, if you do have a fifth wheel or a gooseneck, you can actually, they're in the instructions, I've seen this on the video online, you can actually do an additional cutout if you have your trailer connector in there. So, no problems with that. Also, too, when we get to the install, I'll show it to you, but this bed system does not interfere with the light that's in the bed. So just as a side note there. But I'll be doing another video once I get to the install. Thank you very much with regards to going through and watching the videos. Please subscribe, please like. Really, really appreciate it, and stay tuned for more.